Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, finally the wait is over. Many of them wanted to stay connected with me. There were many doubts to the people. They want to reach to me and also they all want to speak to me related to it. So guys, by considering all this, I have created my own community server, which is nothing but a Discord server where you all can join there and you all can message me. Even I'll respond and you can make connections around. There are bunch of latest updates in this particular video related to my Discord channel or server. So we'll be discussing about that in detail, where we'll be discussing about the job referrals, how you can get it, and even you can make the connections around. The people can provide job referrals to you and the latest AI updates and resources. Everything I'll be explaining in detail in this particular video. So if you have not subscribed the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and you all can join the Discord channel, and the Discord channel link will be in this video description. So now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into my computer screen and talk more about my Discord server. So guys, this is my latest Discord server. You can see here. So you can just open this. Server settings, I'll just go. So you can see here, this is the icon of my Discord server and the name and everything is here. So you can search for data and AI community and you can join on this, or else I'll be providing the link of this particular server in this video description. You can definitely join, and even in the comment section. So what all you will be getting in this particular server when you join. So whatever are my latest announcements, the videos which I am going to do, and any important announcements, everything you will be getting in this announcement section. And the latest AI updates, whatever latest it is released, like the Gemma which was released on Feb 21st model from Google. So about that we will be discussing, and already the video is out related to that. You can check out that video also. That video link will be in this video description, or else you can directly see here in this particular Discord server. And the latest LLM updates and AI updates, data science updates, and everything will be separate, and even the technical solutions also you can provide. So here, not only the people who are, not only me, even the people who are going to join in this particular server, they can talk to other people and other AI community, data scientists, or even the students, even the data enthusiasts who want to learn data science. They can definitely join here. They can make connections around with the people, with my subscribers. They can talk with them. You can, if you have any doubts or technical questions, you can directly upload here, and or else if anyone in the community knows, they'll definitely answer this question. And even there is a bot out here. You can see here, AI bot. So you can just ask it for the image, and you can even just ask it for the idea and everything. You can ask the questions for this bot. It will also it will also help you all, but I'll make sure that I'll be active in this particular Discord server, and if any questions are there, I'll definitely try to provide the solutions. After this, job updates. So the people who are going to join this community, I'm going to update the latest job posts which are available in Bangalore or even in any other states. I'll definitely update here for data science, for data analysis, machine learning and NLP. Even you guys, those who are going to join this community, they can also update the I can say job updates if you have in your companies, or else if you know any companies where they are going to hire, you can update here. This will help the community, and also you can make network with the people around so that you can help them out. Let us all learn together and help together. This is the main ideology of this particular Discord server. And here you have something called as referral section. If anyone is ready to provide referrals for the students, then they can definitely join this server and they can provide referrals out to them. After this, you have data science resources. If you have any latest data science resources or books, if you require, you can ask here, or else we will be normally updating the latest resources related to the data science and AI. If anyone wants, even they can update it here. These all are open. Everyone can talk here and there is no limitations. Only there are some rules out here which you all should follow, and there is no offense and no spamming in this particular community. So make sure if you are going to spam or if you are going to do any offenses, I'm not going to, if I'm not going to block, also there is something called as server supervisor. This is a bot. This will automatically block you out. Okay. So make sure you don't do that. If you do that, the bot will directly ban you out. Okay. And general conversations. So there are three different general conversations servers where you all can casually talk with the community people around, and you can even make the connections around to the people. Apart from this, even I am planning to create some events also where we will be organizing the one-to-one events here, and even I'll be creating the resume discussions and some important questions related category also, where you will be having the servers related to that. You can update your resume and I'll give the key points whether this resume is fine or you need to change. Okay. And we'll be having some voice channels also. I'll be creating one voice channel where we can regularly connect out with the people. We can speak with them and you can have an interaction with me directly. If you have any questions, you can directly ask me here. So guys, that's all I wanted to say about my Discord server. Make sure you share with your friends and let the community grow. Let everyone join the server. So that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the video, channel. And also make sure that you all join this server and message. I am waiting for you all. So guys, bye bye. Meet you all in the next video.